In this video, I will show how to fit tables automatically in Microsoft Word. So guys, if you want to adjust your table width and height according your windows or according content, or you want to adjust column and row fixed size, so these options will be available. So these options is in this table layout. You will see two layout. This is the document layout and this is the particular table layout. So click on this layout, and in the auto fit you have these three options: auto fit content, second one auto fit window, and third one fixed with column. Here you can distribute rows in fixed size. Also you can set width size, and you can distribute columns in same size. So this way you can adjust table height and width. So thanks for watching.